I'm here again making the second. So I actually turned on my flash, as you can see. And now you can actually see the speaker now, because last time I was actually having a struggle. And I don't know if I should put you guys down, but I feel like I should. I'm gonna actually set this up here. Oh god. I wanna see if I can clip the S4 mic. Myself if I can. Hello! Tripod just fell over. That's lit, honestly. Oh yeah, it's gonna be really noisy for you guys. The menu turned on the volume. Oh hey, look at that. The S4 now just did that. That's great. Windows corrected. So I actually got it on this time again. My goodness, I hate doing tripod maneuvers. Every time that I try to do it, it breaks something. Anyways, let's look at the excursions that way. The song is gonna be You Still Don't Get It by Hippie Sabotage. I don't know. Next song is gonna be Cherry Pie Jam by Hollow Clouds. What? Yeah, that's because I didn't take them yet. Anyway. That's why it's a Saturdays, meds. Yeah. You're after my video, dude. No, I'm kidding. Either way. Okay, I just put you guys on the floor. Oh, that's obviously a no. Nah, maybe no. Stiffen the thing up here. There we go. I gotta stiffen up so it doesn't move anywhere. And I guess we can just sit you down. And if I can, that'd be great, honestly. Put it down lower. This is gonna be a long video if I keep on failing like this. That should be a good shot. Oh, the video ended. Okay. Or the song ended. I guess the next song could be another low bass song that I know of. There's not many songs that have low bass on it. Besides Panda. But, I mean, that's that. I guess we can do something. Should I do a sound test? Nah. Here, let me do Massage Situation by Flying Lotus. guess that could be it for this video, and then I'm going to do a sound test to see how good the S4 mic is. And I'm switching to the S7 in November. Hope you heard everything that I was about to say. Either way, I hope that you enjoyed the subwoofer. It's in the 5-inch, you know. It's not bigger than my hand, because my hand is 6.5 inch, honestly. And, pretty much, the tweeters sound great. I'm going to do a video on them. Make sure you subscribe down below, and comment down below, and, see how the video is, and, hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you guys.